everyone, welcome to Microbio. So today's session we are going to discuss about an brief introduction about microorganism. Before we get into this session, I want to ask you a question, that is, what is ubiquitous? Is anybody know? Please pause the video and comment it down. Ubiquitous means anything which is present everywhere around us. For example, microorganism are ubiquitous. That means microorganism present in humans, in water, in air, in plants, in soil, and also in animals. It means that microorganism present everywhere where we can see. These microorganisms are further classified into five types, that is bacteria, virus, fungi, algae, and protozoa, based on their function and shape and their modification, reproduction, and so on. First, we discuss about the bacteria. As we already know, the bacteria is a unicellular organism. It belongs to the kingdom Monera. The study of bacteria is known as bacteriology. The size is based on the length 1 to 10 micrometer and width is about 0.2 to 1 micrometer. It's only we can see only through microscope. Some bacteria had a flagella-like structure which is used for its movement. Based on its oxygen requirement, the bacteria are classified into two basic types, that is aerobic and anaerobic bacteria. Aerobic bacteria, which is the bacteria only able to survive in the presence of oxygen. Vice versa, the anaerobic bacteria didn't need oxygen for its survival and they only able to survive in the absence of oxygen. These bacteria are classified into four types based on the shape: cocci, spirilla, vibrio, and bacilli. Cocci bacteria had a round shape appearance, whereas bacilli bacteria had a rod shape appearance, and vibrio bacteria had a comma shape appearance, and at last the spirilla had a spiral shape appearance. At last, the bacteria are classified into six types based on the flagellar arrangement. The first is atrichus, which the bacteria had no flagella structure, and then is monotrichus. Monotrichus are only one flagella at their one end. Then amphitrichus has two flagellar structure which is located on the opposite end of the bacterial cell, and then peritrichus has more than one flagella which is located around the cell. Then Lopotrichus has more than two flagella, which is located at one end of the bacterial cell. Atlas cephalotrichus, in which more than two flagella structures clump together and located on opposite end of the bacterial cell. Okay, now we move on to the topic virus. Virus means a poison in Latin language. Virus are a non-cellular organism. Viruses are known as a parasite. The study of virus is known as virology. The size of the virus is about 10,000 times larger than the bacterial cell. These viruses are classified into three types, that is animal virus, plant virus, and bacteriophage, based on its location and its function. These are some of the examples for a virus: tobacco mosaic virus, adenovirus, influenza virus, and bacteriophage. Next, the topic is fungi. The fungus or a unicellular or multicellular organism. The study of fungi is known as mycology. The forms of fungi are yeast and mold. Sometimes the fungi undergone both yeast and mold form. Those fungus are known as dimorphic fungi. These are the common difference between yeast and mold forms. Yeast are very commonly we see in environment, but mold is only found in dark, damp or stream-filled areas. Yeast are oval in shape, it's colorless and very smooth in texture. But in mold, it has a fuzzy appearance. Colors may be in green, orange, black, brown, and purple and pink. Yeast are commonly used in baking industries and mold are used in cheese production. Then yeast reproduction only through budding. But in mold, the reproduction may occur in asexual and sexual spores very commonly seen in environment. The example for yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Example for mold is Penicillium. For the following picture to see the appearance of yeast and mold. Then the most interesting topic is algae. We commonly see algae in our environment like ponds and lakes. These are most commonly found in moist habitat. The algae had a very high rich content of chlorophyll. Then it's also known as grass of water. The study of algae is known as algology. The size is commonly around 1 micron to 50 microns. The algae are both unicellular or multicellular organism. Agar is the most commonly used products in our microbiology laboratory. These agar are extracted from red algae that is named Gillerium or Gracilaria. The example for unicellular algae is Chlamydomonas and multicellular is Sargassum. In this picture, we can clearly see the macroscopic view of algae. At last, the final topic is protozoa. The protozoa are an one-cell heterotrophic organism. These protozoa belong to the kingdom Protista. The study of protozoa is known as protozoology. The size of a protozoa are about 2 to 200 microns. The type of protozoa are ciliates, flagellates, pseudopods, and sporozoans. Some protozoans are parasites. Ciliate are a type of parasite which had a cilia for its locomotion. Example for ciliate is paramecium. Flagellates have flagella for its locomotion. Example is Euglena. Pseudopods, which had a pseudopodia for its locomotion. Example amoeba. Sporozoans are commonly called as parasites. Example is Plasmodium. Thank you everyone. Do like, share, and subscribe for more videos and gain your knowledge with us.